I'm nice to you, you nice to me. Don't always work like that. Sometimes it's nice to me and I take advantage of you. So some of y'all, you delusional. I just need you to do me a favor. When you are delusional, you can never get the outcomes you want because the premise in which you're operating from is a lie. So you got to work from truth. And some of us don't want to deal with truth because it's so difficult. E.T., you dropped out of school. E.T., you grew up in a certain community. In order for you to be able to do what you need to do like a Tony Robbins, there's some things that you don't have in your arsenal that if you can just admit you don't have it in your arsenal, then you can go get it. But until you admit that you don't have it, you'll never be able to do it.
Stop, Phil.
So I need you to do me a huge favor.
Stop,
I just need
Phil.
you to be real.
All right, I'm done for the day, guys.
Some of you would rather be in
1006 on the day. Just took a long off of that 1 hour liquidity zone right here. It's a 1 hour liquidity zone. It was the low of the 1 hour liquidity, high of the 1 hour liquidity, low of the 1 hour liquidity right here. Saw the low volume over. I mean, I saw the you know, engulfing candle off of it in relation to the trend continuation here. There was a regime change. Of course, it's only the 30-second time frame, but the 1 minute, it was basically a trend. And of course, all the fair value gaps come off that zone. Also saw that my stop loss would have only had to be about $500, so I went ahead and took it. I actually risked about 750 on that trade. That's why I held longer, because I had on 15 MNQ contracts. So that was that. Wish I could have held longer. I knew it was going to break out the high once we push like that, but I just didn't want it to sweep back very fast, sweep most of my profits away. So I trailed it super tight. Got most of the move. Since I had 15 MNQ contracts on, it didn't really liquidate me immediately, so I didn't get all the profit I could have got. But that's it for today, guys. Yeah, peace out. If you want to learn how to trade, join my mentor group. Whether you trade prop firms or live capital, I can teach you how to do it. I have specific indicators that I've created. Everything that you see on my chart here, plus a lot more that you don't see, are specific indicators that I have created for risk management of trend following. 15-minute bull trend, you see it here. 15-minute bull trend, 5-minute bull trend, you see it there. 1-minute bull trend. Also see, it tells me instantly what the risk would be based on how many contracts I predefined in the settings. And it also gives me order flow on regular time channels, which give me the volume, tells me the volume and things of that nature. Like, I'll make it bigger for you. So each candle I can see, you know, what's the volume, what's the delta of that specific candle here. Volume, delta, and the efficiency of that specific move, as well with whether or not it fits my entry criteria. So makes trading a whole lot easier for beginners, people that are trying to understand the market. Like I said, if you want to learn from me, hit my inbox. You can join my mentorship. It's not free. It costs money. My time is worth money. And if I give it to you for free, you won't value it. So, all right, guys, have a good day.